hard-nosed. He recovers from his injuries. He's feeling invincible.
He's tough.
He's riding his Harley out on Snow Road in Parma, and he's not wearing a helmet, okay? Tube socks Thompson's in a Tesla. He comes to an intersection. The light is yellow. He thinks he can beat the light. He can go 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Tube socks ends up running a red light, and he hits hard-nosed on his Harley. Hard-nosed flies through the air, and he has a severe head injury. Can a jury award less money because hard-nosed was not wearing a helmet?
Oh, well, it is the law. Is it the law? Is it the law?
I say no is the answer.
Because it's not the law. If it was the law, maybe. But is it not the law?
It used to be the law, and they had it repealed.
Okay. So, yeah, no. So I'm with him on this.
All right. So I think, well, let me put this, tough one. Another tough one.
This is why you get a lawyer.
Exactly.
You are not required, if you're an adult over 18 and not a novice, you don't have to wear a helmet. You're free to choose not to. There's no statute that says a jury is required or even empowered to reduce your damages because you didn't have one.
But they might.
But insurance companies will try to make this argument that, hey, you could have reduced your damages if you had the safety device on. They have to have an expert for that. I will tell you this. Although I think you run a risk of a jury not giving you as much, I have had a lot of cases with people without helmets, and we've always been able to avoid that issue by taking some steps. So it's really important if you're in this situation to get a lawyer right away involved. Other things, motorcyclists forget to do. Buy that uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist covers. A lot of cyclists don't do that. That protects from the worst drivers on the road. You get a motorcycle accident, last thing you want to find out is that the guy had $25,000 in state minimum coverage. That's not going.
That's the best advice of the whole segment here, right there.
Absolutely.
Buy that.
Buy that.
Yeah, remember Gary Busey?
Yeah.
I saw him after that accident a little bit, and I said, well, what advice you give people? He goes, wear a helmet.
Yeah. Boy. Yeah. Gary Busey's not the same.
No, it'll change your life.
Yep.
Well, thank you for coming in. Again, when you have questions, call the experts, tom@merrimanlegal.com, or you can also go email him as well at tom@merrimanlegal.com. Merrimanlegal.com is the website, I should say. So they're right in front of you there on the screen. Take note and call the experts because we don't know what we're talking about half the time. Glad he does.
Well, it makes you think, you know, so I'm not used to that.
I know.
You both did very well today. Very well.
Thank you,
My head's
Tom.
like chutes and ladders on the inside. You know?
Good to see you.
Great to see you.